So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the GHD or the Glute Ham Developer, aka the Glute Ham Raise. There are 3 different ways to use this machine. Today I'm going to be showing you the one that focuses on the glutes and the hamstrings. It's a great exercise for your glutes, hamstrings, and you might even feel it in your calves. I currently don't, but I think when I first started it, I did feel it in my calves. So if you're feeling that's completely normal. When you get into position, you should feel the pad of the machine touching your quad muscles. If it touches your knee, you've gone a little too far, and if it's touching your bladder, then maybe scoot up a little bit so that it's right in the meat of the quad muscle. To adjust the machine, you're gonna want the toe plate to hit on you flat-footed. And when you get on, again, just make sure that your quads are touching the pad like this, and then bend over and grab your plate. If this is your first time, start with nothing for just 5 or 10 reps, and then you can move up from there. Once you work up to holding a plate, make sure you hold it away from your body instead of like this, so that A, you'll feel it more in your glutes, but B, it prevents you from tucking all the way at the bottom. And you really want to tuck your pelvis and feel it in your core here. So when you're hinging all the way down, make sure your back is rounded, and you can't do that if the plate is like this on you. The plate's got to be a little further away.